Hey guys, yep, I'm still up. This thing's still printing. I had to, I had to change filament, and then I had to change filament again. I should have enough filament on that to go the rest of the way. It's been 8 hours and 36 minutes and 11 hours to go. Well, I'm still up. Haven't been to bed yet. And I will probably still be up when this motherfucker is done. And it's got 11 more hours to go, so that means, what, 11 hours plus 8? I'd be up for 18 hours straight. That's a long fucking time just watching YouTube and working on 3D prints and being a father to some kittens right now because the mom is in a little tizzy or whatever, and um, my dog is kind of watching over them, and they're. My dog's kind of being like the mom or whatever, watching over them and stuff while I'm in the 3D room doing stuff, so she's got her mother instincts going on. But anyways, alrighty. Well, I'm gonna go and eat dinner. I haven't. Yeah, I had the last time I've eaten was or had something to eat was what was it, 7 o'clock, and it's like 1:30 right now or something like that. It's just kind of a long time without having any food or whatever. So, alrighty. Well, you guys have a good night, and we will see you when this is all done. That's in about 11 hours.